The MVA Fund continues to train staff in both industry-specific and soft skills to improve internal competencies and to be better equipped to deal with the challenges of the new Act of 2007. The Modular Management Development Training Program, conducted by the University of Stellenbosch, started in April 2009. Employees from motor vehicle accident funds of Botswana, Swaziland and Namibia were enrolled in the program. The course culminated in a graduation ceremony on the 10th of September 2009 in Gaborone. Similar programs are intended to be conducted in the future.
What we did, we combined efforts with the MVA Fund Namibia and Swaziland, given that we share a common background and as well as challenges and experiences.
Hey, take a look. Why do you take blazes? Hey, take some sort of a squab sacolo. No, my sister, that car is an import straight from Germany. I want to call it in the phone more thing, in the GPS or GPS for location, what. Even the navigation system. Plus, in the screens at television, more thing. Go to TV, only mobile. Follow you. It's about 260 kilometers per hour.
Or from here to Francistown, it's about 2 hours.
Go to Malo. And I'm going to go to Taburis blind. Go to the house with it. There is more factor than fear in that car.
Huh? Jake Swabaka Kolo Yens and it's about 260 per hour. Modi Lens are not in Sinjat. I can have a Garanta Taburilla never would chop or Hatling Mosquin. You know. Hey, Lascar, what's the go back with what's our going to make away?
Who had a Magatapayan? Eh? Lemagatapanaka just something. Eh? Right, so what's the king? Ba MVA Fund, ba putulu tsa letsogo. Madi ke mahala. Go danele ke go letla, ke go letla. Ne le tsogale ja something era. Eh? Plus le nna. Wa bona nna. Ne ke a go duelo ka MVA Fund. Ba re a mothudi wa. Okay, wasam. Ne ke a go duelo gote ke go itshidila tlhaloganyo. Eh?
Ka ra o ditsaga tsone. MVA Fund, ga e dire dio tse ntata wana bo sa utwa sente ga o thula motho gompienwana ka koloi MVA Fund e duela bongaka pele gore wa lafiwe e be duela e be re go morago ga le gore re khobalo tsa go ne le tse di hiteletseng o bereka o sa kgone go itshisa o bo hiwa madi a itshetso a tswa kgwedi le kgwedi ga go morago ga kotsi MVA Fund e kgona go boa e boela go gwela motho e leng gore o dirile kotsi ka bohahalele
e boa batang
e bata madi a ona ona tebenya di tshenyegelo tsone tse di dirisitseng mo bathong e tae di tsaya mo go ena.
They are very serious. O bona go tle di expatriates. Ha ba tla ba tswa go tla ga botswana ba sa diole dikole tsa bona maro safety through customs. Ha ba nna accident MVA Fund e tlo go boa e tla go bona e tla go claima di tshenyegelo. Very serious.
Gore ba kere mine mo.
Okay, let's driving. Malatinga ba bereka yana le mapodisi ntate drunk and driving ba bereka hela le mapodisi MVA
and ha ba ka go tlale gore o cause accident o le kwa tlase ga kgatelelo ya dinotagi
wai wena yana o shara mo tronkong ka gona sona nna
ala smart masimone la injo ya kere maraitaka
sharp
kala kene bolela la kere ra kere mas le ne le cheka tla so wa le ire nga le tswa
ai santse re iketile hela
le santse re iketila okay le tla ndropa la go go dale ke ba tla tseka mo wena
ra lorna ra ba go ikgolega
ta itela mo
o ta itela mo moritimo ke ba ka driver nganole
In the past, one of the major challenges was the backlog of claims that the fund had received and had largely remained unprocessed. We had now implemented a self-based system which speeds up the whole claims processing process. And as we speak, any claim, for instance, for funeral benefits, we are able to process within a period of 24 hours. In case of emergencies, we do provide guarantees to hospitals to ensure that care and support of those involved in accidents is provided immediately on arrival. They do not have to wait for claims to be processed before they can be assisted. And you may have heard recently, we also signed an agreement with the emergency medical service providers where they ensure that any accidents that happen within the parameters of the major centers, they are responsible for taking those who may be injured to the nearest hospital. And they also ensure that they provide pre-hospital care within the shortest possible time. This, we believe, will enhance the chance of survival of those who may be injured. We strongly believe that we need to focus on public education in order to ensure that we reach out to as many people as we can. Our public education also targets road safety to ensure that accidents are minimized. We don't believe that without carrying our people along to understand what the fund intends to achieve, we can go anywhere. Another important component is the relationship with stakeholders. We believe that the type of product that we offer cannot be offered in isolation. We need the cooperation of the EMS, as I've alluded to before. We need the cooperation of government as the main stakeholder. We need the cooperation of the claimants themselves and also the employees. We are putting appropriate structures in place to ensure that our aspirations and the expectations of our stakeholders are very much aligned.
The MVA Fund applies the provisions of the Motor Vehicle Accident Act of 2007 with competency, dedication, and humane care that meet all requirements and Vision 2016 benchmarks. The thoroughness and speed with which queries and claims are processed are akin to the Better Life for All drive, which features in most development undertakings. The decision to reach out to communities is a humble contribution to human dignity, whilst the promotion of road safety underpins the all-time belief that prevention outsmarts any efforts to cure. Whatever results this brilliant approach yields in the coming years, there is good reason for the fund staff and management to take pride in being so relevant and responsive to national needs. MVA Fund, lean on us.